Nothing is as painful as a missed opportunity, like an opportunity you had in front of you, and because of one thing or the other, you just happen to miss it. It slips off your fingers just like that. It can be very, very painful. And sometimes those opportunities might not end up coming back again in a very long while, or might not even come back again in a whole lifetime. Now, having said that, the online space have presented a lot of opportunities to so many of us in the year 2025. Yeah, we procrastinated, we doubted, we were afraid to take action, and all of that. Now, think about this. That thing you have been afraid to start, and those things you have actually procrastinated on starting, and compared to what you are currently now, like, would you say, oh, thank God I didn't take part in that, or thank God I missed that opportunity, or thank God I did not take action at that time? Results you have currently now, it could be in your finances or in your business or whatever you're doing right now. If you're being honest with yourself, would you really say your life got better for not taking advantage of that opportunity that was presented to you in 2025? Well, for me, I had the opportunity to start an online business which is called affiliate marketing in year 2022. I got started. Now, prior to that time, I heard about affiliate marketing and I got instant, like, I just got interested. I just got so much interested in the business that the only thing that was stopping me was finances. All right. But as at that time, I was determined to start actually. So I ended up using my whole savings to finally get started in 2020. That was the biggest risk, like the biggest investment I had ever done in my life, in my entire life, personally. All right, as at that 2022. And I can say that it's been 3 years now, over 3 years doing this business, and I have no single regret. The only regret I have about this affiliate marketing business is not starting earlier than I did. All right. Now, imagine what my life would have been if I had not started affiliate marketing. And prior to that time, the last job I did was a teaching job where I was being paid 15K every month. And now, compared to whatever I have achieved in these past 3 years, I don't think that 15K salary would have even made up to a quarter of my achievement so far with affiliate marketing. Now, imagine if I had missed it. Imagine if I had tagged it as a scam. Imagine if I had allowed fear take over my decision to get started as at that time. Imagine, just imagine where I would have been. Well, this message is coming to you because I want you to have the right mindset in year 2026. A lot of opportunities are there for us to invest in the online space, especially, and particular about the online space. Now, you scroll through your smartphone every now and then, and you burn data, you spend money in buying data, you spend money in all of that, and you are not making money off the internet. You are just putting money in people's pockets. You are not making your own money. I need that mindset to change. If you actually want to succeed financially in year 2026, please remove those fear and doubts from your mind. Okay, what's the worst that can even happen? What's the worst that can risk that money? Like 100,000, 60,000, 50,000, 20, risk that money, even millions, risk it. Yeah, so long as nobody's going to die in the end, so long as you are very sure that it's a business model that works, it's a model that works. First of all, do your research. I'm not saying you should just throw away money like that. All right, do your research. Have a lot of people see a lot of results from people that have actually done it. If they can actually do it and succeed, it means that you have the equal chance to do that same thing and even succeed more than people that have been there before you. All right, now I want you to think positive this 2026. Be very, very, intentional about your financial life. Nobody is coming to save you at the end of the day, right? So you have to take that risk that is needed to take you to the next level. Do not withhold yourself from taking it. That 20,000 I even save, that 50, that 100,000, that 500,000, that 1 million might just be your turning point you've always been praying for. All right. So please do not hold yourself back this year 2026. I made a lot of investment, not so many investment this year 2025, but I can say that I invested more in knowledge because I bought so many online courses ranging from to, knowing more about affiliate marketing, YouTube automation. I invested so much in upgrading my knowledge this 2025. I'm still in the business, affiliate marketing business, and I just added one other one, although I've been a content creator all the while. But this faceless YouTube automation, the amazing results I've seen so far, it has a very, 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 very promising future. All right, it's beginning to change a lot of people's life, and I believe that if you key into it now, if you key into that particular niche now, it's going to help you. Like, you are going to thank God at the end of 2026. You're still going to be among those that will succeed. All right, you'll be among those who have success story to tell. All right, that's been one of the big investments I've made for myself this year, 2025. This year was more like, planting seeds, investing, building something, setting up structures and all that, which I know that is going to start paying off big time in 2026. If you have that mindset of doing nothing about your finances, expecting miracles to come, like expecting someone to just come from nowhere and remember you, my dear, I'm not saying such miracle doesn't exist, but at least you have to start doing something, like, seriously, because the Bible says that He will bless the works of your hands. So you have to do something with your hand so that He can bless that stuff and, make it multiply, right? So I want you to start year 2026 with a right motive. So any opportunity that comes your way, please assess it. Like, examine it, go and do your research, go and do your thorough research, and if you find it legit, don't be scared, don't be scared to invest, don't be scared to bring out money and invest in it. All right, and also learn how it, like, be ready to put in the work, be ready to go through what it takes to succeed. Even in this affiliate marketing business, everybody is not all in the same level because of the level of effort we all put in individually, right? So if you put in the level of effort, that person that is making maybe 500 to 1 million naira every month, if you put in that same level of energy and that same level, you might even do more than that person. Okay, so be ready to put in the work, not just to invest, be ready to put in the work. All right, and by so doing, 2026 is going to, in fact, it's going to be an amazing year as far as your finances is concerned. Please, I want all my followers, I want all my friends to be extremely rich and wealthy this 2026. Okay, let's do this together. Build wealth, like start up that thing that you have been meaning to start. Is it content creation? Please start it up. Is it affiliate marketing? Start it up. Is it forex? Start anything you have been meaning to start. Time waits for no man. Like, time literally do not wait for no man, because when did we start saying Happy New Year 2025? Like, it's just like yesterday, right? So, and now we're already counting down to the end of 2025. It's going to be 26 in few days from now. So, what are you saying? Don't waste your time. Like, don't waste that energy. Don't waste that resources. Put it right to you so that at the end of the year 2026, you'll be smiling, like you'll be grateful you did what you did. All right, so, and apart from that, apart from all of this, please remember God, right? That God factor, please do not take it off, right? So pray and commit your ventures in the hand of God so that at the end of the day, your efforts will be crowned with huge and great successes. Okay, so this is what, the message I have to pass to you now. So don't miss opportunities, don't joke with opportunities. Please scrutinize every opportunity that comes your way. And yeah, let the Spirit of God also guide you so at the end of the day, you know which to actually invest in. It's not everything you should also actually do. Even if every opportunity is legit, it's not even every opportunity you should do. All right, you should know which one you are meant to do by the leading of the Spirit, and also which one you are not meant to do, so you don't waste your resources. God doesn't like waste, He doesn't like waste. Okay, so um this is it on this video. So thank you for watching to this extent. If you're just in my face for the very first time, this is Faithfulness, and I'm super excited to have you join me here. All right, so if you find this video interesting and you need more of this content, I teach people how to make money online with their smartphone and internet connection. If this resonates with you, please join the family by subscribing, liking this video, commenting, and sharing. All right, we are very much happy to have you here. So see you in my next one. Stay blessed. Bye.